Hello, welcome back for a continuous series solutions, that is geometric mean and harmonic mean case. Continuous series are group data questions now. Question number 42. If you see here, question number 42 is calculate geometric mean and harmonic mean for the following, right? So this was the question for you, x and f. I will write it here now, the x values now. So x value is here and f value is here. The question is x number and f number now. Now you need to find the formula is like this. Which purpose this formula is for group data or continuous series geometric formula, and group data or continuous series for which formula? Harmonic formula. So this was harmonic mean case and this was geometric mean case. So based on these two we have to solve the values. First we need to find that m. What is m? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by lower limit 0, upper limit is 10 divided by 2 is 5. And what is the difference between these two? The difference is 10 is there, increase 10 is there. So you have to add the increase 10 here. 5 plus 10, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Otherwise 40 plus 50, 90 divided by 2, 45. Like that you have to find all the numbers. And what you have to find now? See, the formula is here now. Log m you have to find first. Log m. How to find the log m? 5, right? 5 means one place. One place minus 1 is 1 point. So as I said in the previous class, 5 means what? If it is 5 means it is not possible to find the value. 5 in front of that 0 you have to add. 50 also not possible to see the table. One more add. Then it was assumption 50 0 5 0 0. Then you have to check the table. The table is like this. 50 0 you have to find. What is the value for 50 0? Logarithm 50 0 is, see, 50 0 is this one. This one 50 0 is 6990. So the answer is 1.6990. Then 15 means 2 place minus 1. Here actually 5 means 1 place. 1 plus 1 is 0, not 1. Now here 50 means 2 place minus 1 is 1. So 15, then you have to find 15, next number is not there means 0. So 15 0 is how much? 15 0 is 1761. 1761. Like 25 means 2 place minus 1 is 1. So you find the 25. 25 means 25 0, 3979. 3979. Similar, 35 means 2 place minus 1, 1. 35 0 you have to find. 35 0. 35 0 is here now. 5441. 5441. 5441. Then 45 0 means what? 45 means 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 45 0 is 6532. You see here 6532. 6532. So this was the number. Then you need to multiply f into log m. So f is here, log m is here, multiply these two like this. 3, that is 3 into this number now, 0.66990. Similarly, you multiply this number into this number, f into log m. Is it clear? So here also same. Which number you multiply? Like that. So you multiply like the same. What you will get? All these numbers. How it works? It comes to this number into this number equal to this number. So find the total. The total is like this. Then this was the we need for which purpose? We need this one for our geometric mean purpose. Now move to the next solution. Next solution means which one? Harmonic mean. Harmonic mean formula is what here actually? N divided by f into n 1 by m. Means 1 by m you have to find. 1 divided by m you have to find first. 1 by m. How? Equal to 1 divided by m is how much here? 5. 1 divided by m is how much here? 5. Like that. Equal to 1 divided by how much here m? 15. Same. Equal to do the same thing. 1 divided by all number. See, 1 divided by this number, 1 divided by 35, 1 divided by 45, right? So make sure that this number must be 4 places and the total is this one. So this was the total for your, I think total is not required for this case, no need of total this one. Then f into log f into 1 divided by m, f into 1 divided by m, this number you have to find now. So f is here, 1 by m is here, so find now 3 into 1 divided by m is this one. So 3 into 0.2 is 0.6, like that you multiply all the numbers, 4 into this number, 10 into this number, 12 into this number, 3 into this number. So you will get this number. This was the answer. And total is this one. So we need the total of this one. So this was enough for our computation of geometric mean and harmonic mean. Now move to the solution now. Geometric mean. You first fill the number nt log in bracket summation of f log m. How much is here? See, f log m is how much here? Same number. So you have to write 44.2692 divided by n is 32. N means here 32 is there, this number. Now the answer is, so that you have to find nt log so equal to 44.2692 divided by 32. So answer comes this one. This answer means you have to take the 4 places. Now you check the out of this example 1.3834. So first 4 places you have to find from the nt log. Only this number you have to find from the nt log. So I will show the nt log of which one? 3834 nt log. So come to the nt log place, 3834. See, this one is your 38, right? 0 1 2 3 3 means this number 2415. Its 8 is how much here now? 8 value is 4. So 2414. So 2415 plus 4. So 2415 plus 4. So it was how much now? 2419. Now how to put the number now? See here now. This number is 1. This number is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 means 2 place. After 2 place you have to put the point. After 2 place means here. So here 1 is there exactly. To this number 1 add 1. So it comes 2. 2 means after 2 place you put the point. After 2 place means 2 put the point means this one. So your answer is 24.19 is the value. Clear? So this was an example. I removed this one. So geometric mean value is how much? So geometric mean equal to this one, right? Geometric mean equal to, it comes like this. This was the answer for your geometric mean. I hope that geometric mean clear to all of you. Move to the harmonic mean now. Harmonic mean. Okay. Harmonic mean equal to n. N is how much here? See, 32 divided by. What is f log f into 1 by m? 1.6762. Simplify, you will get the answer. See, if you n into divided by 1.6762 is 1 by m, f into 1 by m. So answer of geometric mean is this one. So I hope that this kind of solution is clear to each one of you. Now I will assign you some questions based on the same, right? Based on the same type. Okay, these are the questions for you, 43 and 44. Once again you have to find the geometric mean and harmonic mean. For this question I think I have to explain something to you all. M, how to find the m? 0 plus 5 by 2 is it comes to 2.5, right? Now the difference is 5 increase is there. You add the 5, that is 7.5, 12.5, then 17.5 and 22.5. So when you are finding the log x, right? Just I am explaining you log m, not x, m. the value is 2.5. 2.5 means you don't take the 0.5. That 0.5 is not a place, only integer place you have to check. Integer means 2 is an integer. 0 plus 2 means 1 place. 1 place minus 1 is 0. Then you have to find 2.5 means 25 is now. So you have to check the table like this. 2.5 means you have to check 25 0. Don't think that point is there. So 25 0 you have to find. 2.5 means 25. 25 0 is 3979. 3979. Like 7.5 means only you count the 7. 7 is the integer. Integer is the value is called integer. The fraction point you have to remove. 7 is the one place, minus 1. Don't take the 7.5 is 2 place. Only integer point you have to take. 7 is 1 place, minus 1 is 0. Then you have to check that 7.5. 7.5 means 75 0. 7.5 means 75. 75 0 is how much here? 75 0 is 8751. 8751. Now 12.5 means 0.5 remove. 12. 12 means 2 place minus 1 is 1. Right? Now you check the table is like this. 12.5 means 12.5 means like this. 12. See 12.5 means what? 12 5. 12 5 is 12 and 5 is here 30969. So 0969. 0.0969. 17.5. 2 place. 17 means 2 place minus 1 is 1. 1 point. Then you find the 17.5 in the table. See 17.5. 2430. 2430. 2430. 22.5 means what? 22 means 2 place minus 1 point. 22 5 we have to find. 22 and 5 here 3522. 3522. Like this, that you have to find. So I hope that is clear, and rest of the thing that you have to find. In this question also same. If the m is like this, m 0 plus 9 divided by 2, 4.5. 4.5. Then value increase here, 10 increase is there. So next increase means 14.5, 24.5, 34.5, then 44.5, 54.5. How to find the log m now? Log m, same. 4.5 means 4. 4 is 1 place. 1 place minus 1 is 0. Then you find the 4.5 means 45 0. How to find the table now? 45 0 you have to find. See, 45 0 is how much? 6532. 6532. 0.6532. Now 14.5 means what? 14 means 14 only. 2 place minus 1. 1. Then you have to find the 14.5 table. So it was like this. 14.5 means 14 and 0.5 means 5 means next number 14.5. Don't think that point is there. 14.5 how much? 14.5 is 1614. 1614. So the same type 24.5 means 24 means 2 place minus 1. You check the log table 24.5. 34.5 means 34 means 2 place 1 minus 1. Then 34.5 you have to find. So like that you have to find the variables, and I think I given an example to you. Now you solve these two questions, so 43 and 44. Send the answer to me. This is for your the measures of central tendency is over now. So I solved you mean median mode, then geometric mean, harmonic mean in this today's class. Tomorrow I will start you. Your next topic is called which one? Dispersion. So tomorrow I will start you dispersion chapter. Clear? If you have any doubts, just call me. Thank you. Bye bye.